Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way to make yourself a web banner or a logo for your web page that anybody can do. So, first thing I'll start out with is my background. Um, I like working with black backgrounds a lot of the time, so I'm just going to select my paintbrush tool here and just paint this black. Of course, there's quicker ways to do this, but I like to pretend I'm painting. Okay, so the next thing is to get our tool for typing, our text tool, and I have a 72 font chosen. And let's type in our font. Now, I'm just going to keep it black for now, so you're not going to see what I'm typing until I'm done. Um, okay, so what I do now is I'll go over to my layers tool. Of course, we see now what I typed, my cool site. Something very simple. Right click, go to blending options. I'll just bring this up here and let's see, so you can see this. Let's go with an outer glow, and I'll just leave it at that for now. I might change the font. I don't really like that font. So to change the font, go to the font tool, and I'll change it to Impact. Okay, so we got my cool site logo here. And let's see. I'll just switch to the background layer and go like this. Hit delete on my keyboard. And actually, let's give a little bit of shadow effect to the font now that we'll be able to see a bit of it onto the white background. So we'll go back over here, go to blending options, go to drop shadow. You see a little bit of it there, and it's okay. There's a whole bunch of different ways you can do shadows. There's some filters I don't have plugged in yet that I just reinstalled the software, so I'm just going to play with this stuff for now. Let's see, what else can we do to this? I like lines going through my text, so actually that's not what I wanted to do. Um, let's do something a little bit crazy. Let's flatten this layer. Then I'm going to take this. I'm going to hit actually, might not even need to do that. There we go. And let's see if this is going to work. Let's take a font, maybe 12, and we'll use white. Select white on my color picker, which you can't see. Okay. And let's see, actually, let's make that black. That's not very big, but kind of a different way to do things. Oops. I want to kind of get it centered in the word cool. Now you could put some stuff in here and there. I actually am just going to leave it like that and flatten it again. And I don't know if I want all of this white space up here, but I will take, let's say, the equal amount. There's a better way to do this. You could use rulers if you wanted to. Now, I just measured it like that there. Now I know it goes up to there, so then I'll just eyeball it and copy. Take the same guy, bring him down back into your viewing range. Then I'll paste, Control V. I have my little Cool Site logo. Not much to it, but it's simple, easy to do. There's a whole bunch of other stuff you can end up doing with this if you wanted to. If you had any graphics, you could, shift some of this stuff around, and you could have some graphics in here that really jazz it up. But you don't want it too cluttered. But uh, it's all no matter how you like to have your logo or your site. And that's it.